Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin right here on FXTM. So what we're going to do is we go here to symbols and then we go right here to crypto CFD and then we search for Bitcoin. So let's search right here for BTC. Now then we do just Bitcoin and then you see Bitcoin right there. Then click here on show symbol. So we have it right here in the list and then you do OK. Then we go to Bitcoin, throw it to the chart, and now you will find right here the chart of Bitcoin. Then what we're going to do is we click right here new order, select right here how much you want to buy, because one lot is one Bitcoin, so 0.01 is fine. And then right now we click here on buy by market. But be careful, if you click on buy by market, you will buy it immediately. If you want to put a stop loss or a take profit on it, you can do that too. You need to decide it for yourself if you want to do on risk management. And then we click right here on buy. And now we created ourselves a nice Bitcoin position right there. So this is exactly how you can buy Bitcoin right here on FXTM. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.